Let's take a look at the mechanic model. Many who visit an auto mechanic have little interest in the technical details involved in the inner workings of their own car. When we have a problem, we want to pick up our car and a few hours later, pay the bill, and leave with a working car. The mechanic is responsible for figuring out what's wrong and fixing it. If the repair does not successfully solve the problem, the responsibility is the mechanic's, not ours. We don't want to get our hands dirty under the hood. It's good enough for us when the problem has been fixed. The mechanic model is rarely successful. It's occasionally the result of a client's actively chosen ignorance of the details of a problem or a solution. Clients preferring a mechanic consultant would prefer to place a phone call to a consultant, describe a problem, and wait for the consultant to return to report that the problem has been fixed. The mechanic model gives the consultant responsibility over virtually every aspect of the problem and the solution, and it permits the client to relinquish both accountability and responsibility for the problem. Unsuccessful solutions or problems that reoccur can be blamed on a poor consultant. Clients are not forced to confront their own role in the problem being experienced. In this consulting model, the client rarely gains any insight into the process of assessing problems.